In this video, we'll demonstrate how to customize your Facebook shortcut bar settings. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Facebook offers a neat feature that lets you tailor the shortcuts bar at the bottom of your screen, allowing you to access your most used services and features quickly and effortlessly. Let's dive right into Facebook. When you open Facebook, you'll notice the shortcut bar at the very bottom of your screen. By default, Facebook populates this bar based on your usage. For example, if you frequently use Facebook Dating, it'll appear there. If you're a frequent marketplace user, it will be included, and so on. However, you have the power to customize it to your liking. To begin customizing the shortcuts bar, tap on the menu button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you are using an Android device, the menu button might be situated at the top right. Then, look for the gear icon at the top right of the menu screen and tap on it. This will open the settings you need to customize your shortcuts. In the Settings menu, you'll find a section called the Navigation Bar. Tap on it to proceed with customizing your shortcuts. Now, you're in the customization zone. Although you can't customize every single shortcut, you do have a good deal of flexibility. Here's how you can make changes. If there's a specific shortcut you want to have in your bar at all times, simply switch it from Auto to Pin. For example, if you always want Marketplace or Gaming to be easily accessible, select Pin for Marketplace or Gaming, and it will permanently reside in your shortcuts bar at the bottom. Keep in mind that Facebook may automatically rotate shortcuts in and out of your bar based on your usage patterns. So, as you pin or hide shortcuts, Facebook will adapt to display the ones you use most frequently. And that's it. You now know how to customize all the shortcuts on the bar at the very bottom of your Facebook screen. This feature allows you to personalize your Facebook experience and access your favorite features with ease. Enjoy your customized shortcuts bar. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.